company FC Automobili has brought the iconic Citroen H van back from the dead, and soon will offer a modern-day variant to customers. The original Citroen H van was built between 1947 and 1981, and despite the outdated design, FC Automobili has managed to give it a retro twist that will surely appeal to the Citroen faithful. The new van is the work of Fabrizio Casalini and David Obendorfer and is made from lightweight fiberglass body parts built over the platform of Citroen's Relay hauler. The vehicle therefore incorporates all the modern technologies and safety equipment of the Relay and adorns it in bodywork reminiscent of the original H van. Pricing details have yet to be announced, but FC Automobili says it plans to build 70 examples to mark 70 years since the first Citroen van hit the market.